So I have already create a React app using a command create React app. Then I just need to create a functional component. Here is must say there's an extension which you can use to create a class or functional component for a stateless, stateful, etc. So you can watch out my video about this. So I have a component. So let's create a basic structure without any UI. So I'm just in this part I just built a basic logical implementation. So for that we have a state for our number, which will be random number, show on the screen of users number, which is use state, which is 0. Then uh, uh, array of words, which will be, let's say, let's put some ball, bat, ring, baseball, game, and let's say tennis. Okay, so let's put this on above this. And then so we have two buttons, which is start and stop, to start the game. Currently I am doing is as a user need to be click on this button, but later on we will replace the functionality with the voice command is stop. And then there is a show a number to the user, which is random number. Then we have a button to say if I click on this, it should be like a user correctly pronounce the word is, and then it should be incorrect. So we have this okay, and then we must have a you can say correct words count this, and same for incorrect. Okay, so and then finally we have a say the word, which is will be word, should be this number. Okay, so we should have the UI, which is here like this. Sure. So I back to this my studio. Then now we have some states, which is started. So this will be used as a, if the as a, so this state will be used as a, so this state is start will be used as a if the user click on the start button to generate a random number. Start set is start, which is false initial. Then also we have a counter for correct incorrect. These states the correct and incorrect counter will be replaced, this state will be replaced with the firebase when we integrate on our next part. Correct words set correct words use state, this will be 0. Incorrect words sorry, incorrect words. Okay, so we have all the states and we have our initial state. So now what we will do is, so we have to generate a random number, which will be under this handle generate random number. And in this we will do, what we do is set number, and here we will do is maths.floor to generate the random number between 0 to 10. Maths dot random and multiply this with 100, so it will generate the number between 0 to 10. So then we will use effect. Why we use effect is, let me first create, then I will explain you. This use effect is bound with this state is start. So whenever the state change, the use effect will execute. And what we do in this, we will generate a random number. We will basically initiate the random number generator function. So what I can do here is let uh, time interval for random number random number generator, or it will be null initial. Then we will use set time interval, which will be used is if is started true. It is, if it's true, then what we can do is timeout interval is equal to set time in set interval, and which will be 100 millisecond. And what we do here is we will simply just call this function in it. So in every 100 second the function will call generate a random number and set it in the number state. Then what we will do is if is start is false, now the user have stopped the you can say counter which was initially running, then we will simply clear time interval and pass this. And same for return statement, which is used as a destroy component, which is in a class component called as a component will component unmount. We'll do this, and then our generator should be work. For this I need to just pass the method here, which is set is start counter. So here I just pass the method is set and pass the value with a not true. So if the value is true, it will turn the value to false and pass it and set it in the set state. So same for the stop button. So if I go to the our component, it should work. Oh, it's not. Let me check. Okay, so I forget to add this not operator to this condition, so should work now. Yeah, so it's working correctly. So if I say stop, it is stop on this. If I say start again and stop, it stopped. So yeah, and even my words is also coming in this area because it's setting the value. And if I say stop, it will bad, then because we don't have a word on 7 index. Yep. So let me copy paste here, so we have an initial condition. Okay, so our basic logic is complete for this start and stop. Now we need to move to the correct and incorrect word. So if the user say the correct word, it should add the counter +1 correct counter +1, and it should add to -1 if user say incorrect word. So on click, and just need to add a function which is correct words with a correct set correct word function with a correct word +1. And same for same for incorrect, which is simple is incorrect word, and yeah, and here it will replace to with incorrect method. So let's see what will be the result. Correct word, incorrect word. So this, refresh the page, then start this ball. If it's correct, count 1. If it's not correct, count 1. Okay, so our condition is now working perfectly fine. So now we just need to replace not the replace, we just need to add the command functionality and replace with this functionality with this one. So it will automatically get the command of start and start this function.